It looks like we have one area of rotation over New Lacey. That's that radar indicated warning. But right to the south of that, the observed tornado warning, that could be a second pocket of rotation just to the west of Coffee Road. If you have friends and family that are residing in these places, shoot them a text and say, hey, you were under a tornado warning. Rock Springs, now just to the east of Oak Grove, we have that observed tornado, which is just a confirmation that we need to be taking these warnings and safety procedures seriously. We're seeing this rapt rotation here, counterclockwise, right over Collins. It's safe to say the majority of the country has had its fair share of severe weather, but don't let your guard down. We still have a few more days to get through. Wednesday night into Thursday, a level 4 out of 5 risk will impact states like Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky, and Tennessee. We'll cool things all the way back down to the upper 50s, maybe a light jacket for the morning hours. Notice the area that these flood watches take up across Alabama, Georgia, into South Carolina. Over 5 inches of rain is expected to fall. Let's time this up by looking at the Futurecast. By around 5:30, we'll start off dry. Rain begins to move in toward the late morning hours. When you have strong southerly flow, it provides an excess amount of Gulf moisture and energy for some cells to develop. Now let's build into the afternoon hours here. You can see getting closer to 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Heaviest rain looking to hug the immediate coastline. Tybee up toward Beaufort County. By 7 a.m., we'll start off at 57 degrees, getting up into the upper 70s to low 80s tomorrow. A lot of these storms came in just to the west of Savannah near the airport, moving up to the north and east toward Beaufort County, near Ridgeland and Sheldon. That's where the most amount of rainfall was. Let's talk numbers right now. 82 was the official high today. That's 4 degrees cooler than our normal high of 86. That record set back in the 1930s. We may get close to that come this upcoming weekend. I'm timing mid-90s. Oof, that could be potentially returning for your holiday weekend. Temps right now, though, across the coastal Empire Low Country, it's nice. Look at that. We have temps in the low 70s, upper 60s, and that will be the trend, cooling down tonight to the 60s for pretty much everyone. Maybe the immediate coastline, Tybee, could only get down to 70 west of I-95. That's your best shot, dropping down to the low 60s. Tremendous, refreshing, crisp air out there, as I say. But that will change by the afternoon hours. We're already going to go, again, this is the next 12 hours, from the mid to upper 60s at 8 a.m. to the 80s for lunch plans. Also a little bit of humidity out there. We'll time out more moisture that will return, and that will boost temps and also the feel-like temperature later on as the work week closes. Satellite and radar, as the high pressure continues to build in, we will be clear for the most part. A few high level clouds are definitely possible, but your tea time forecast, I don't see anything that will get in the way of a beautiful day of golf. Let's fix that right there. It's a hole-in-one forecast. Temps in the mid 80s, 0% chance of any sort of showers, more sunshine than clouds. On the coastline, upper 70s though, but farther inland, like I mentioned, that's your best shot for feel-like temps, maybe even in the mid 90s. Air temps reaching the upper 80s. Let me step aside and show you the full hourly forecast. At times, temperatures could fluctuate, but for the most part, I'm thinking upper 80s and more sunshine than clouds. A lot of the models are depicting more higher level clouds. That's why you see more partly cloudy conditions than sunny. But overall, I'm thinking more sun, and I'll explain that in just a bit. Let's all time this out. Look at the future radar together by 7 a.m. A few high level clouds are out and about, but temps will quickly warm back up to the 80s by the afternoon hours. This model is depicting a few showers, folks. I don't think we're going to have any sort of rain. That's the Tommy guarantee for you. I think 80s will definitely be possible, up toward 90, but no rain. No thunderstorms, so if you have any sort of outdoor plans scheduled, I don't think you need to cancel them. Outdoor reservations should be fantastic. It's hot, but besides that, if you don't mind the heat, it will be great. Rain chances 0 Wednesday and Thursday. That will change, though. We'll see some daytime thunderstorms possible Saturday into Sunday. For the most part, it's going to be a very minimal risk for a quick shower or storm. I'm thinking mostly we're going to see sunshine. There'll be some clouds here and there, but it's not going to be severe. Again, it's not going to be severe. I know you're already starting to make these plans for the long weekend. More sunshine than clouds, but the heat will be the biggest concern there. 65 tonight, mostly clear. Seasonable winds will be calm. Tomorrow for your Wednesday, mid to upper 80s. More sunshine than clouds. Warm, not hot. But 7-day forecast, we go from warm to hot and also humid. High 92 on Friday, 94 Saturday, Memorial Day 92. Again, maybe a sprinkle on Saturday and Sunday, but let's hope not.